The demand for AI and machine learning professionals is on the rise, leading to the emergence of AI and ML bootcamps. But with the high cost, is it worth it? In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of AI and ML bootcamps to help you make an informed decision. Networking, flexibility, and cost represent three major benefits to an AI and machine learning bootcamp. These advantages can provide valuable opportunities for career advancement and make it more accessible to a wider range of individuals. Deciding whether an AI or ML bootcamp is worth it depends on your individual goals, resources, and learning style. If you're looking for a fast-paced, hands-on learning experience with the potential for networking opportunities and a flexible schedule, an AI or ML bootcamp may be a good fit for you. However, if you're seeking a deeper understanding of the field or are unable to commit the time or financial resources, a traditional degree program may be a better option. Ultimately, deciding whether an AI and ML bootcamp is worth it depends on your goals and resources. At PACE, we offer AI and machine learning bootcamps taught by industry experts and designed to fit your needs. Contact us today to learn more about our programs and how they can help you achieve your career goals in this rapidly growing field.